Scottsdale is a community known for health and wellness, beginning in its early days as a destination for those seeking recuperation and relaxation. The Scottsdale Cure Corridor is the modern manifestation of that past. Home to an array of bio-life sciences companies ranging from education and research to clinical trials and patient care delivery, the Scottsdale Cure Corridor is celebrating its 5th year by once again celebrating the innovations and successes of the healthcare industry leaders who choose Scottsdale. The annual Scottsdale Cure Corridor event gathers this impressive group to bring awareness to the clinical discoveries and developments happening here, and also to advance public policy, spark innovation, and attract new investment to this vibrant bio-life science community. The Cure Corridor is more than a place. It's a collaboration of people, anchored by industry leaders such as Honor Health, Mayo Clinic, and TD2, the drug development arm of TGen, the scientists who first cracked the human genetic code.
Cure Corridor, for me, means I have access to the best talent in the world for things that I don't have at my company. So if I need medical imaging, I have the best in the world to call. If I need radiation advice, we have the best radiation group in the world. We need to run a clinical trial for patients with new disease. We have the best clinical trial organizations. So for me, it's access to the best quality companies that all share a common vision about curing patients with disease.
We've had patients from 48 states and 24 countries that have come here as a destination site for their care.
This coalition of care includes cutting-edge research, treatment, medical and pharmaceutical development, as well as manufacturing, education, and life enrichment opportunities not found in any other city in the U.S.
So over the last 5 years for Global Med, we've seen significant growth in healthcare systems around the world looking to transform their delivery system of healthcare. With all of the experience on the professional side with the clinicians to give them the technology that they need to deliver care in a new way, Scottsdale has been foremost at our root of being able to attract the best talent and to provide an environment for our staff and for our customers who come in from all over the world.
The City of Scottsdale supports innovative companies, offering an ideal environment for them to operate and grow. Consider these recent success stories. Medical device startup Neolite, incubated out of SkySong, the ASU Scottsdale Innovation Center, won the 2016 Rise of the Rest Startup Pitch Competition, earning a $100,000 investment from AOL co-founder Steve Case. Only 2 months ago, Neolite received FDA clearance for further testing, manufacturing, and distribution of its portable jaundice treatment device. Scottsdale-based Epifinder is creating a seizure and epilepsy patient portal to empower people to take ownership of their health and advance epilepsy and neurology research. Epifinder has raised more than $400,000 in angel investment and is supplementing that with an ongoing Kickstarter campaign. Seen from a higher altitude, the impact of the Scottsdale Cure Corridor is unmistakable. Since 2013, nearly a quarter of all healthcare-related venture capital investment in Arizona has occurred in Scottsdale. This represents an increase over previous years of more than 500%, dwarfing the national average increase of 36%. Here are just a few honors earned on the Cure Corridor since 2013.
So Systems Imagination is a big data analytics company. So we work on the type of information that comes out of healthcare, life sciences research, high technology type of companies. We want to be in a place where translational medicine is occurring, where research is being applied, and we see Scottsdale as the place where that happens. So we have been able to explore a lot of business models. That's the other great thing about Scottsdale, is the ability to explore and experiment. I like to say we get to fly under the radar. What's great about Scottsdale is you have time and resource. The local government supports you, and you have an environment where you can test new models. But it allows us to test new models and to really explore the opportunities from a business perspective.
With an impressive 5 years in the books, more remarkable things are certainly in store. In summer 2017, Mayo Clinic School of Medicine welcomed its first cohort of 50 students in Scottsdale. By 2020, the school's 4-year medical training program will grow to 200 students, doubling the overall size of Mayo's national medical school enrollment. Cure Corridor partners preparing the next generation of industry professionals also include Arizona State University, the University of Arizona, and Northern Arizona University. Developing that talent pool keeps the Cure Corridor vibrant and strong. With more than 20,000 healthcare and bio-life science occupations in Scottsdale, businesses here benefit from an incredible pool of local talent.
One of the things that we really like is that as a company, we could be located anywhere in this valley. Scottsdale has given a value to our employees, the amount of restaurants, the amount of entertainment, the amount of other businesses here in this area has been really beneficial to our employees. One of the things that I really truly like about this area for us is the fact that there are a lot of small businesses here that allow us as Global Med to produce products that we ship globally that are manufactured right in this area. So we may bring parts in from the small metal shops, the small plastic shops, other programming companies, all into Global Med, and then distribute that worldwide.
Scottsdale remains committed to fostering a rich environment where healthcare, bio, and pharmaceutical companies thrive.
The Cure Corridor is a community. That's what it means to us. We are a part of a healthcare dynamic community in Scottsdale. There are over 100 companies here that are medical device, pharmaceutical, biotech, service companies, etc. And we all bring something different to that community. And through the leadership at the city, through Mayor Lane, through the Economic Development Department, all of those resources can be applied to the community. And it's that sense of sharing that is really the most important and also motivational to our management team. And you want to feel like you belong, and we do.
Whether you're a startup looking for one of the world's most progressive and distinguished locations to grow your business, or a Fortune 100 company seeking creative, fast-paced collaboration with like-minded companies, Scottsdale's Cure Corridor has room for you.
What being part of the Scottsdale Cure Corridor has meant to us as a company over the last 5 years since it started is that we are part of something bigger. It's not just about Global Med. It's not just about the city of Scottsdale. It's about all the lives that are impacted globally from what happens right here.